name is Carrie Walker and I'll be doing the 12 days of airsoft. On the 12th day of Christmas, Eve I gave to me 12 random pistols, 11 matches spraying, 10 grenades launching, 9 cans of green gas, 8 batteries charging, 7 speed loaders loading, 6 snipers sniping, 5 SMGs, 4 thunder beefs, 3 high-cap mags, 2 tin gloves, and an M9 biohazard from we. Mwah. On the 12th day of Christmas, Eve I gave to me 12 random pistols, 11 grenades launching, 10 cans of green.
11 max of spraying.
Oh. Hello, my name is Carrie Harris, and I am entering for the 12 days of airsoft. On the 12th day of Christmas, Eve I gave to me 12 random. Sorry.
What? I'm just like standing here.
Gotta let my face relax here. What can I giggle about? Are you recording?
Yes. Quit it! No!
I can't. Okay. Hello, my name is Carrie Walker and I'll be doing the 12 days of airsoft. On the 12th day of Christmas, Eve I gave to me 12.
What? Okay, I got a new idea.
How about we shoot you every time you start giggling?
I'm thinking about it.
I don't do good with cameras.
Apparently. Hang on. I need something heavy like a dead weight.
Hello, my name is Carrie Walker and I'll be doing the 12 days of Christmas. On the 12th day of Christmas, Eve I gave to me. Why'd you have to talk?
Why'd you have to fart?